fixing access denied in Zarchiver is pretty easy thing to do. Today we will talk about how you guys can fix the access denied error that you are getting in Zarchive. Well, there could be different reasons for it, so you just have to go through at every of these steps, and you will be able to fix the issue for you. Now, first thing is permissions. Just make sure you have the permissions to access the file. If you have that, and the second thing that you have to make sure is grant storage permission. Make sure that you have provided the ZR keyword the storage permissions. If you have not, just go to settings, go to apps, go to ZR keyword, and you'll be able to provide the permissions. Verify file status. Confirm the file isn't in use or in read only. There could be some issue that the file is actually in use or is in read only, the reason that you are not able to access it. Restart device. There could be an issue in your phone as well. Just restarting your phone will actually fix the issue. And update the Zarchiver app, obviously, clear the app cache, or just reinstall the Zarchiver app. Ensure the SD card is properly mounted and functional, just in case if you are trying to get data into your SD card and you're getting this issue, there could be an issue in your SD card as well. Verify a file is incorrupted. Just make sure to ask the uploader that if the file is not corrupted, because there could be the reason as well. Now, review file path. Ensure the file path doesn't have special characters or is too long. There could be an error in the file path as well. You just have to double check all of these things, and at the very end, you will be able to identify the problem and you will be able to fix it. If you guys find this video helpful,